Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, MESARASTARR. Thank you so very much for being here. So today's video is going to be Dollar Tree. Yes, I went back to Dollar Tree. This time I went to a different Dollar Tree in our town and I found some new things, you guys. So I'm going to be going to this one more often because I feel like this one has like more stuff than the one I normally go to. I love them all, guys. I love all Dollar Trees, but I feel like this one had like, I don't know, because this one was a newer one, and so it was like they weren't giving that store as much items, and now it's like it had like way more than when I was there last time. It's been a few months, so there was new things. They had like new gardening stuff, which I like the cute little fairy garden stuff, which I didn't pick up even though I loved it so much. So like I said, there was a bunch of new things there at that DT. They had the deal of the week, which is these solar light tulips. I didn't buy because I already have solar lights, but I was tempted to get them because they're just so gorgeous. But like I said, I'm going to be going to this DT more. I'm so excited that that I decided to give that one Dollar Tree another try. So anyways, all right, so let's go ahead and get into this haul. So I did buy these, you guys. I love these flip-flops, or excuse me, slippers. I actually have washed these before. They wash fine to me. You know, so they had them in pink, this color, and white. And I should have grabbed more, but because at night after my shower, I always put lotion on my feet. And so this way I've been, you know, because we have hardwood floors, so like I don't want to get my like lotion all over the floor after I'm done, because I literally have done that. Like I'll put lotion on my feet and then my footprints are all across the floor around the house from the lotion, so I have to put something on. So I've been using socks because I've been looking at DT for slippers and they've been not having them, but now they have them, at least at the DT I went to. So anyways, I got the green, and I should have bought more, but I have washed these before and they worked fine when I washed them. So they have a little like little backing to them as well. I picked up the extra large. They have small, medium, and large, and the extra large is for 9.5 to 10.5 feet size. It shows in the back. But like I said, these are really comfortable, you guys, and I love this like mint green color. The associate that was ringing me up, she's like, are there a lot back there? She's like, I need to buy some for my mother-in-law. I'm like, yeah, I'm like, she's like, I think I'm gonna get all three colors for my mother-in-law. So anyways, I love these flip-flops so much, or slippers so much. So I don't know why I keep wanting to call them flip-flops. I don't know. So all right, so then I went with two of my three daughters, and one of them wanted the bath crystals hibiscus rose, and so this is a new one from Bolero. It's the hibiscus rose, which I don't even know what it smells like, so I'm actually going to smell it for you guys to let you know. It has all your directions in the back. I love the cute packaging that it looks like it's like in a mason jar, and it's got the hibiscus. It kind of reminds me of the Bath and Body Works lotion, the hibiscus. I have it over there and I can't think of the name right now. The hibiscus, why can't I think of the name? Anyways, that happens sometimes, guys. I'll forget when I turn the camera on. I suddenly forget. So anyway, anyways, let me smell this and see what I think of it. So we love bath crystals over here, bath salts, bath crystals. It says extra love for all skin types. It says on there. So let me go ahead and smell it and see what I think of it. There we go. Okay, so let's see. Ooh, that smells good. It says calm, nourish, and hydrate. It's like floral leaf. It does not smell like the Bath and Body Works hibiscus one, but this one has a nice like floral scent to it. Doesn't have a tropical scent to it, but it has a really pretty like light scent to it. So I did get that. That was a hard one to explain, that scent. Okay, so the next thing I picked up was the Aromatherapy April Bath and Shower. You guys, this is thebomb.com. This smells so good. Like, I'm comparing this to Bath and Body Works. Naturally, I just compare all my scents like elsewhere besides Bath and Body Works. Because I love Bath and Body Works so much. But this one seriously is a 10 out of 10 as far as scent wise. And it smells so good, and it's like it will clear like your sinuses. It's like so strong. It's like, oh my gosh, like my eyes like open up wider when I smell that. It's like It's like Vicks Vapor Rub. It's so nice, and I love eucalyptus. I have eucalyptus, spearmint, and all the aromatherapy line in Bath and Body Works. So this is a really good like runner-up for Bath and Body Works eucalyptus spearmint. It's really good. Like, but this smells more like straight up Vicks Vapor Rub, which I like, because if I'm not feeling good and I want to take a bath, like let's say I have a head cold, I would totally use this. I think it would make me like kind of open up my sinuses, I think, because it's super strong. Like, I love this, So anyways, it's really good, you guys. It's a good one. There's your little crystals, and you get a lot in there for $1. So anyways, yay on that. It is 1 pound, 1.6 ounces. So it's a lot for $1. So there's that. The next thing I got was kind of boring, but toenail clippers. So I did pick up one of these, and then I picked up, they have all different sizes of, which is great. And then I did pick up a thing of tissues for my tissue box in my bedroom. I need this size because I have like a cube tissue box holder, so I needed one of these. Then I did get one of my daughters wanted this today, so she got her own little nail clipper set. So she got that and that. You get nail files with the clipper. You get 3 pieces in there. And then she also, my daughter is learning to crochet and knit and everything like that. So she wanted these. You guys, they have aluminum knitting needles at Dollar Tree now. Oh my gosh. Like, if I were to buy these at Michael's or somewhere else, these would easily, I'm guessing, be like $8 and up. I'm like just guessing because I don't know a lot about knitting to begin with. So this is just like clearly a guess, but for $1, oh my goodness. So she got from the Easter Bunny for Easter a crochet set, a knitting set with like the knitting needles, and so she's like, oh my gosh, can I get those? I was like, of course. So these are the 4.0 millimeters 2-piece set for $1. Like, what? And they had plastic ones like this size, but she wanted the aluminum ones. So yeah, that's a great deal. It's like, that's why I love Dollar Tree. Like, that is crazy, right? Like, totally crazy. I should have gotten some, because I should learn how to knit. That would be really fun. I love that. Okay. And then I also picked this up for her. It's a aluminum crochet hook. Look at this, you guys. What? $1. Oh my goodness. That is so inexpensive for these items. There's your little crochet hook. And they had this in different colors as well, as far as the handle. So I thought that was pretty nifty. This is a 5.0 millimeter little crochet hook. Then one of my daughters wanted the makeup brush cleaner rinse-free formula quick drying, so she picked up that. I have never heard of this brand before. Bath and Beauty is what it's made by. Okay, and then my daughter also wanted more of these. She loves these, you guys, these candle making kits. She's like, can I get more? So this is my 8-year-old daughter. So she picked up 2 more. She just loves, in fact, she made a candle the other day, and like 2 days ago, my mom and dad came down to visit, and she gave it to my mom. She's like, I made this for you. So it's so sweet, you guys. And like I said, we've have done these several times because I keep buying these because my daughter loves them, and they do burn really quickly. I will have to say that the wax goes really fast, like it burns really fast. But anyways, for $1 you get a candle making kit. It's like you cannot find anything cheaper than that, right? It's a great deal. So this one you get, it says Asian Lily. Ooh, kind of smells good. These aren't like the most fragrant of but when it was burning, I could smell it. It was a nice pleasant scent, but it's not like a super strong Bath and Body Works obviously scent, but it's still very nice. This is Magnolia. Yeah, that one's very strong. Magnolia. And then, so see how it comes with different layers of wax that you can make your own little pattern. And this is lavender. That smells good, lavender. And then you get your, it's like you get everything you need in there. There's your glass jar with your wick. So it's like really one and done type of thing. It's great little, like, this would be fun to do at like a birthday party, make these. It's just really a great little candle set. And like I said, here's like an example of like different patterns you can make with these candle sets. So my daughter just loves this whole idea. She just loves it. So anyways, okay, we got those. Then, oh, we got 2 of them actually. So here's the second one. She picked up the, this one is Fresh Linen, I think. This has got Fresh Linen, Magnolia, and Coastal Breezes, or Coastal Breeze. And see how it's like different, how this one has like a purple label and this one has like a blue or green label. I just want to smell that really quick to see. This is Crystal or Coastal Breeze. Coastal Breeze. And actually, that actually smells, whoa, that's strong. That smells good. Coastal Breeze. More Magnolia. And then Fresh Linen. I want to smell that because I love the smell of linen. Not bad. Not bad. It doesn't smell like dryer sheets or anything like that. And then, of course, your candles in there. Okay, so that was really fun. So she's so excited to make these candles again. Then I picked up 2 more of these cat scratcher boards. One of my cats like loves these. He doesn't really use it. One of my cats uses it for like, you know, for fun, like for cat scratching stuff. Like it's cute. The other one, it's so cute because he'll sit and just like put his hand, like his little paws on it, and just like, it's mine. It's so cute. Like he's like holding on, like he doesn't hold on to it, but he like rests his little paws on it, and he's like just chilling there like that. He like loves this, just to like chill with his hands on it. Like it's so cute. Or his little paws. It's just too cute. So I got one for one of my cats and the other one. So like it's just too cute. I love cats because they always have different personalities. And that's why I love cats, because they all have their own personalities. So this is an incredible deal because like I'm telling you, I have bought cat scratching boards elsewhere for way more money, and my cats were like, you know, didn't act like they didn't. It's almost like they really liked these more. Like I bought some online and I paid like $6 or $7 for one, and they're like, like they didn't really care for them, but they really like these Dollar Tree ones. So I do want to try buying those cat scratcher boards that have like the like different waves and stuff. Like I do want to try those. I haven't tried those yet. Oh, by the way, this does have catnip in it. I just wouldn't use the catnip in here. It gives you catnip in there, and the catnip doesn't look very, in my opinion, I wouldn't use this catnip. That's just my opinion. I use catnip for my cats. I get it at Walmart. I don't feel like this catnip, I wouldn't be using this catnip. So that's just my own opinion. I'm just letting you know, like, yeah, I'll show you what it looks like. Let me just show you. So, see if I can do it with my nails on. Yeah. I'm very picky with like catnips from my cats because I've seen some catnips that are like really have like sticks in them and stuff that they look sharp, and I'm like, I don't want my cat ingesting that, you know what I mean? So here is there catnip in here? Now that's interesting. I'm sure there was catnip in here before. Maybe it was the other ones that I ordered from elsewhere. Okay, so maybe that's it. So yeah, there is no catnip in here. Okay, that's good, because on the back it says sprinkle a pinch of catnip on the scratch board, optional. And it says you can flip it over when one side is used. So yeah, okay, so they don't even have it in this one. So here it is. It's got 2 sides to it. So cute, you guys. It's like the idea is so cute. Okay, it's like really dusty. Okay, the next thing is I did pick up some lipstick, more lipstick for me from e.l.f. Eyes Lip Face, this company. So because they sell this at Target and everything like that. This color looks really pretty. It's called Classy. It's actually matching my tank top, isn't it? But Classy. And I thought it looked really pretty. So you know, I'm gonna go ahead and try it on. I have lipstick on already, but I'll go ahead and try it on over it. I don't think I've ever tried e.l.f. lipstick before. So there it is again. Let me go ahead and try it on. Ooh, pretty. You guys know I love my pinks, my pink lipsticks. Let me go ahead and try it on, see what we think. Okay. It's very creamy. Ooh, it's pretty, you guys. It's really creamy. Very nice, like, application. Like very creamy as it's going on. Ooh, I like that. Okay. They had like 2 or 3 colors to choose from. So I may have to get more. Okay, the last items. Oh, I did get, did I show you? I did. I don't think I showed you this. I did get some more foam plates. Then I did find, so my son is graduating kindergarten, June, and then my daughter is graduating 6th grade, and they do graduation ceremonies for 6th grade and kindergarten in my town, and they also do graduation for 8th grade and also high school, obviously. So my son's graduating, like I said, so I got my son and daughter, so Roman and Macy are graduating. So Roman, I got 2 of each, so I'm not sure who's getting which color, but for like photo ops, you guys, they have the best stuff for graduation stuff. So this says, congrats. Oh my goodness, what? Like, how amazing is this deal? So for $1, so it's one of those inflatable decor. It's 37.25 inches wide, or like long. Like, that's crazy. That is a great deal. So, and then there's the back. It comes with the string to hang it on. And then I also picked up Grad. It's like, what? That is so amazing. So, you know, I just picked up the ones, I hauled the mom ones. Like, it's just, I can't get over these for $1. Like, it is an amazing deal. So there's the Grad. It's 26.5 inches, or excuse me, 26.7, is that 26.75 inches? I cannot. You guys, I can't even read a ruler, like a measuring tape, very well. I'm just, yeah. Okay, congrats again, but in silver, and then another one, Grad in gold. So I have both color options. So I thought it'd be cute if you did like, congratulations, Grad. That'd be really cute. And then again, in the silver. So then I was thinking maybe to do like a photo shoot before they graduate, and then use these as like photo props. And then I'm not sure, but I may be picking up more, because if I use them for a photo shoot, then I'll need more later on for their actual like graduation party or whatever. So yeah, $1 is a great deal on those. So yeah, I'm so excited. Like, does that say, wait, should it be, is it backwards? Let me see. I have to see how that works sometimes on the, let's see, it would be red. Yeah, congratulations, Grad, right there. So anyways, all right, guys, so that concludes what I bought at DT today. Oh my goodness, right? Like, some good stuff. They also have some new 4th of July stuff. They had some 4th of July really cute yardsticks that I almost got, didn't get it this time, may get it next time. I just have so much 4th of July like lawn decor, so, but I'll probably get it next time. So anyways, it was, yeah, I'm gonna get it next time if they still have it, right? If they still have it. So anyways, all right, friends, so again, thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, I would love if you would subscribe, and my returning family, thank you once again so much for being here. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and close this video for now, but I'll see you back here tomorrow with my next haul. All right, friends, so till next time, everybody, take care, God bless, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.